So, what if yun nga, ayaw ni Sasuke na mabawasan yung 10,000 pesos niya. Gusto niya buo yung 10,000 na matatanggap niya. So, yung wala tayong option, kumbaga. So, yung gagawin natin, i-gross up natin and i-work back natin, kumbaga, yung, yung expanded withholding tax. So, in this example, yung gagawin natin is, yung 10,000, i-divide natin by 95% or 0.95. 0.95. So, bakit natin di-divide? Because we will assume na yung 10,000 is already net or nabawasan na ng 5% na expanded withholding tax na portion. So, i-divide natin ng 0.95. So, that would give us itong figure na 10,526.32. So, ito na yung magiging rent expense natin for this scenario. So, again, multiply natin ng 5%. And 5%, that would give us 526.32. So that is your expanded withholding tax payable. And pag i-deduct natin to, yung rent expense less the expanded withholding tax payable, yung cash natin, i-credit natin is 10,000 pesos. So bibigyan natin si Sasuke yung buong-buo na gusto niya na 10,000 pesos.